Today I present to you 3 main reasons why you should be budgeting. Let's talk about it because it's really important. Number 1, budgeting keeps you organized. We live in a world of dysfunction, and one thing you don't want is your finances to be disorganized. Personal finances and disorganization equals messiness. And we don't really want that when it comes to our expenses. Budgeting keeps you organized. That way you can see what's coming in and what's going out. Budgeting with intention. Most don't really think about it until they get to their adulthood, and then they're like, wow, I have all of these expenses, I have all of these things that I have to worry about. But when you're budgeting with intention, you're intentionally dispersing your finances to things that are important, whether that be your living costs, whether that be bills, your car note, your braces for that beautiful smile that you may want, or your school tuition. Doing this also helps you prepare for emergencies, which brings me to my 3rd point. Budgeting helps you save money. Now, we are living in very interesting times where folks are out of jobs, or folks haven't been able to cover their monthly expenses. Being able to save 6 up to 12 months covering all of your living expenses helps you now be prepared for the worst case scenario. And not only that, it just makes you a little bit more accountable when dictating your financial health. So today, I want you to think about different ways that you can budget, different ways that you can implement things into your budget, whether that be removing some subscriptions that you don't really need, or whether that be just adding a little bit more in the pot for a rainy day. I hope you all enjoyed this video and had some takeaways. Be sure to go ahead and leave a comment below on things that you are saving for. Until next time, happy budgeting.